Living easy, living free. Season ticket on a one-way ride. Asking nothing, leave me be. Taking everything in my stride. Don't need reasons, don't need rhyme. Ain't nothing that I'd rather.
All right, now sing it,
Asia
ladies.
terasa wudhu Eau musim gugur di Asia
ศรัทธาตรงไหน
Asia North
ฤดูใบไม้ร่วงในเอเชีย
Okay, welcome back to Autumn in Asia, Cambodian style. Today what I've got going on is I'm just cruising through the cities, because I've done a couple cruising through the countryside, out in the villages and out in the rice paddy, just beautiful area out there. Well, this town's got its beauty too, and it's got its kind of crazy things also. I just thought I would go down some some nice roads, some not so nice roads, some... Oh, don't go that way, that's the wrong way. God, get it together, Kelly. And also, we're going down some roads that turn into, well, I'll show you here in just a minute or two. But, let me know if you like these kind of videos. Well, if you don't like them, let me know, because inquiring minds need to know. But anyways, we're heading down into residential here also, and sorry for the bright lights there, but I left my camera on manual because I was farting around with it the night before with some low light video I was doing, and I forgot to turn it back on auto, which works great for the daytime. So yeah, blah blah blah. I know I'm boring you, but now all of a sudden the road turns into like a footpath, and I'm wondering, gosh, I'm going like right by these people's freaking backyards and stuff, and I mean, do people drive their bikes down this or not? I'm concerned. But as soon as I turn the corner here, I see this other motorcycle guy here waiting for me to pass. So I'm going, okay, I'm not the only one. Yeah, vindicated there. Okay, back on a normal road here. It's normal as you can get. It was a little bit bumpy. Looked like they had to tear it apart to put some drainage or something in there. So what you do is you just do what you need to do. Yeah, and it's kind of slick on these roads. I just kind of like almost wipe out there a little bit, did a little fishtail, but that got my heart pumping again. It says, watch where you're going there, Kelly. I do believe this is Wat Palanca Road, and it's one of them that they rebuilt and put nice sidewalks and those pavers in. But I very rarely see it very busy. But it's a nice road to cruise on. Now we're heading up another residential, heading up to my buddy's house, and it's a nice road to ride on. It's pretty smooth. Sorry for the glare again, but I'll get it fixed. I promise. I'll show you. Hey, at least I left the house with with a card in my my camera. Not like I've done that rookie mistake before. But anyways, heading to my buddy's house here, and I can say that because, well, by the time you see it, he already moved again, so it's safe. You can't go and creep on him or troll him, which you guys shouldn't do anyways. But anyways, we're up in the northern part of Siem Reap, which I guess would be, the National Road 6, which is the highway that goes like through Cambodia. Kind of splits, I think, in my opinion, splits north and south Siem Reap. Not that they call it north and south, but just to give you an idea of where we're at. Yeah, heading back down to my place, and which is on the south side of Highway 6. But yeah, Highway 6 will actually go all the way to Popet. Oh, anyways, that's on the border of Thailand. And they got the border crossing there, and then it continues on, of course, another name, another highway, whatever, all the way into Bangkok, which, from what I understand, if you were driving your own car, it would only take you about 6.5 hours to do, but the buses take you a little bit longer. Now here we're back on Wat Bo Road, and it's about 4 o'clock, and the traffic is starting to get a little bit heavier, so you kind of really got to be more vigilant what's going on. And so, like, this gal just wanted to come right in front of me, and I cut that short because I don't want you guys, dropping off like flies. And not that I'm calling you guys flies, but you know what I mean. But this is one of my favorite streets. It's got some really nice apartment buildings on it, and some nice, beautiful houses, restaurants, mom and pops, and it's only 1 block away from the river. So, like I think I mentioned before in other videos, up and down the river, almost the entire length of the city it's almost like a park-like setting. That's very, very beautiful. And this street, I like this street because all of a sudden, with very little warning, it turns into an alley. Oh my gosh! But that's kind of a nice alley, I guess. But it does come out at the River Road. I'm not really exactly sure what the River Road's called. National Road 63. I know that's the nomenclature. But anyways, that's it. There. But now at this time, if you're still here, don't hang up yet. That's right. I'm going to say you guys are my #1 fans, and I really, really appreciate that you're still here. I just want to tell you guys that are still here, I've got some really nice videos coming up. I went way up north to the northern border of Cambodia and Thailand just recently, and got some really cool footage, and I'll be doing that soon. So everybody have a great day, and thank you for coming. Bye.